Huge immigration breaking news. Canada will accept TOEFL Essentials for PR 2025 updates. Ooh, are you ready? Ooh, are you ready? This is massive. For years, IELTS and CELPIP dominated the system. Now, there's finally a faster, cheaper, and more flexible option. But here's the catch. Why TOEFL Essential has been designated? IRCC isn't accepting scores just yet. Today, I will explain exactly what's changing, what is rolling out, who benefits, and how you can prepare right now. Language test in Canadian immigration is for express entry and other PR streams. Proving language ability is non-negotiable. Until now, accepted tests were IELTS General Training English and CELPIP General English and TEF Canada TCE Canada French. PTE Core added in late 2023. The problem is IELTS and CELPIP are very stressful and fully booked in months in advance. Applicants around the world have been asking, why not TOEFL? TOEFL is already accepted by 12,000 universities worldwide, adding it for immigration to make the system more inclusive. What exactly then is TOEFL Essential, which was launched by ETS in 2021? This is an examination which duration is 1.5 hours versus 3 hours of ELIT and CPPI. It tests in listening, reading, writing, speaking, and personal video statement. Can be taken at home, online, and or at test centers. Why IRCC likes it? It's affordable in terms of cost and less cheaper than the other ones. It's accessible, offer worldwide, and easy to book. More than it reflects real life communication, conversation, workspace, English. So who are the people who are going to benefit? Express entry applicant, FSWP, and other ones. If you are that PNP or AIP or skills refugee under EMPP, if you are falling in any of this category, you will benefit. This is huge for students and workers in countries where IELTS is being offered. Imagine not waiting for 3 months for at least a shot, because they are always book. Why this matters for immigration 2025? IRCC is reducing temporarily resident levels but increasing economic PRs. Demand for tests is skyrocketing. IELTS and CELPIP blockage, express entry. TOEFL adds capacity and reduces wait time. Oh my God. Who could believe this? Because people have been waiting for a long time, this has been approved so that it's easier. And in cost-wise, we are saving some money. So whoever has not been applying for PR because of money, as of August 2025, TOEFL Essential has been designated by IRCC but not yet activated. IRCC must update its immigration portals and system to process TOEFL TOEFL scores. IRCC is expected to confirm official acceptance date within late 2025 or early 2026. So I'm telling you ahead of time. So you shouldn't be bothered. If you're that person who's been struggling with English that would take this time, TOEFL is coming in, which is gonna be really easier for anybody who wants to travel to Canada PR, school, student, refugee, you name the rest, jobs, and they need the English. That's gonna be awesome. ALIS General is 3 hours. Paper compassion, $320. And CELPI General is 3 hours, $280. So which is a little bit heavy, right? PTE Core is $300. TEF 3 hours, $320. TOEFL is 1.5 hours and it costs only $190. Is this not saving, my people? This is saving. Don't let this one pass you. Can I use TOEFL for my PR? Of course. Yes, but not now. Only TOEFL Essential will be eligible. Will PS accept TOEFL Essential right away? Likely, but each province may update rules individually. So what is saying, some province, they have to update their own. If I already took IELTS, should I switch? No. If your score is valid, 2 years, stick with your IELTS or CELPIP. When exactly can I submit my TOEFL Essential for PR? IRCC has not set the go live date yet. It's just information. The go live date is to be coming maybe late 2025 or early 2026. What should I do now? Monitor IRCC official updates. If applying in the next 6 or 9 months, book your exams on the O1. If applying later, consider TOEFL Essential. Shorter, cheaper, easier to access. You download free TOEFL Essential practice tests on their official site. So, it's a good one for those who are saving, because, you know, it can be really challenging to be writing all these exams in order to come to Canada. The TOEFL Essential announcement is a game changer. It's not active yet. Listen, it's not active yet. But once it is, thousands more applicants will have an easier, cheaper pathway to PR. So, stay tuned and make sure you know when the date to go live has been set. See you in my next video.